Do you find traveling too mainstream, leaving you feeling incomplete? Sometimes you don't get the best stuff. Sometimes you are just too rushed. Sometimes you miss out on all the fun. And sometimes you don't get what you really want. What if you can roam with locals from now on? With thousands of passionate locals who can show you around, offer real local experiences, and play host to you in their cities. Our RoamCal members will take care of you. Together you discover places, paths, and parties, local style. With RoamCal, you can get the best, get to enjoy, get all the fun, and get what you really want. With RoamCal, you can do so much more, and travel will never be the same again. We offer you an awesome local experience every time. With great reviews from other members and social tools, you will find your perfect experience. Join now and start to roam with local on your next trip.